Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to convert a JSON response to a data frame. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have a JSON response in the form of a string, and there is certain data such as the person's house, the house number, then you can see the road, city, as well as the country. And this is a form of a key value data pair. And I want to convert this string to a data set that is present on this output window. As you can see, the column names are house, house number, road, city, country, and below that are rows present as the data that is corresponding to the given column. Basically, we need to use the pandas data frame function and say pd dot data frame. Also remember that I have already imported pandas as a pd. And now is where the whole magic works. So basically we are going to use a curly brace symbol for stating that it's a key value pair. And what I'm going to say is key colon value, which means I want to put a key value pair for value, that is the first object. So as you can see, the first object is value and then we have a key. So what I'm going to say is key colon value for value comma key in, and I'm going to use the eval function to evaluate the string, and the string name is obviously a. And after this I'm just going to put a indexing of 0 to state that I want to index from the starting region. And now we also have another index to count the main index from which we began the indexing. As you can see here, there are many strings, many brackets, so because of which we need to place the index as 0 and just place this inside a Python list. That's how the syntax works, and that's it. We will get ready and we can simply print the data frame. So if I run this, as you can see, we get the desired output that we are looking for, where the data values are respectively placed in their columns and these are collectively joined to a row. So that's it from this really quick video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.